Well, it seems Eric and his friends are not here. So I think Dawn from Total Drama and I will take their place for this commentary. And before asking, yes, Dawn from Total Drama and I'm now join Eric Bonifacio's YouTube channel.
Anyways, we heard that girl named Vermilion the Godslayer has betrayed all of us, including tint animations by Randomly Animate, also known as Kirby Fanatic 2010. So let's get started, shall we?
Nobody gives a crap about you, stupid warning. Now scram.
Okay, no instrumental, no actual visuals, it's just me, OBS, and the script the script for this song that I've got to translate into my singing voice. Let's go.
Well, your video is going to suck as hell.
Beware of this pure evildoer, his name is Grounded Basketball Court.
I will just skip that song, because that's so cringe. And you don't even have a nice voice, unlike this little girl with green hair named Meloetta. Keep in mind, this little girl with green hair named Meloetta has a beautiful voice, because her song is her power of love. Let me show you guys this little girl with green hair's song how it's done. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So, what do you think?
Well, Mahiru, that little girl with green hair have a beautiful voice for nature. I was going to think to let rejoin Mike and Zoe from Luther the Digimon fans character Elimination Ultimate, but I changed my mind. So, I decided to let rejoin Meloetta and this creature with green hair and dress named Cosmo from Sonic X, also known as Musical Sprouts.
Nice choice. Anyways, let's continue.
I cannot believe I made peace with Randomly Animate and Seth KB. I hope Velvet Fanatic 007 Thieviander also makes peace with me and also forgives me. And I cannot believe I am getting my house back for this.
What happened to you, man? Used to be cool.
I'm still cool.
Nah, you've changed, man.
Albert just needs to fill his car up with gasoline so he can drive me to my old house.
Hi, Vermilion the Godslayer. I walked all the way to this homeless shelter to ask you this. Wanna cause trouble together for the first time?
No, I don't want to cause trouble. Because I don't want anything to do with losing the peace that I made with Randomly Animate.
What the fuck? You're betraying me to not be hated by that stupid ching-chong. That is fucking bullshit.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
What? He hates the hate base of Velvet Fanatic 2007 for a reason.
Liar! A liar!
Besides, stop being racist already. Because you are the mock name realm counterpart to Kalu, who is completely white. So stop saying the CH word, which is racist to all Asians, especially Chinese people.
Then allow me to introduce myself properly. I'm the big boss of Team Star. The name's Cassiopeia. No. Penny. Now, bow down before the overwhelming might of Team Star's founder. Now you've made the journey. Now here we are. Where the mighty crumble. for the stars. They make pariahs from delinquency. The persecutors should not go free. Our revolution was incomplete. The stars shall fall on society. Here, the brightest minds will shine, but not as bright as mine, with better designs. Now that penny's flying high, I'll find a world where I don't have to hide. They leave behind all the flowers on the wall, trapped in the shade while the poppies grow so tall. And if rewarded are the cruel, then educators are the fools who try to steal the glory that belongs to all. Here, the brightest minds will shine, but not as bright as mine, with better designs. Now that penny's flying high, I'll find a world where I don't have to hide. Break free of the learning spell. Stand up, unleash the rebel yell. I don't fit in and I won't be fit into this shell. Here's to the losers, loners, and geeks. Stand for the quiet, stand for the meek. We're all special, we're all unique. Stand for the trodden, stand for the freak. Here's to the losers, loners, and geeks. Stand for the quiet, stand for the meek. We're all special, we're all unique. Stand for the trodden, stand for the freaks. Every star deserves the chance to shine. The ignored should never be maligned. I've spent too long strapped into this terrible ride. Now I'm free and I'm flying high.
No, because I hate all minorities, especially Asians, especially Chinese people, since randomly !Animate is Chinese. I hope he fails his driving test by failing to see a volcano.
Exactly.
Ground on the floor, stop being racist. And stop it with the stereotypes of Asians being blind. I regretted making that picture where randomly Animate was a stereotype of himself. So get out of my sight and just accept that I'm betraying you for being an asshole.
No, we are staying friends. Stop trying to betray me or I will kidnap randomly. Animate and kill him and feed you his corpse. No, we are not friends, and stop sending randomly. Animate death threats because he is not an adult, and stop forcing me to be a cannibal. No 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 no. Whoa 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 whoa. What is going on here? I am trying to refuel my car so I can drive the Vermilion back to her house.
Albert, you are here. I need to tell you that my ex-friend came here with the intention of forcing me to go back to being a troublemaker. And when I betrayed him, he threatened to kidnap and kill randomly, Animate and force me to eat his corpse. Bruh. That's murder and cannibalism, which is illegal.
Takeover! You suck! Awesome victory! Danger! That was humiliation! Awesome victory!
listen to her unique. While that's true, I hate it when people betray me by becoming a good user.
Hey, what the fuck? You do not ever call me the N-word. First tent animations, then Vermilion's past self, and now you? Why do I get called the N-word, whatever I do?
What the fuck do you think we have in common? Tent hates you because he is a Nazi, Vermilion used to hate you because she used to be a Tent fan, and I hate you because I hate all minorities, especially Chinchas. Speaking of Chinchas, can't you grow a brain like Chinese people?
Exactly.
That's another racist stereotype, you jackass. Stop trying to mimic my past self when you know I'm a better person than you.
Takeover! You suck! Awesome victory! That's what humiliation! Awesome victory! Awesome victory!
Because I'm not an antisocial retard unlike you.
You called me an antisocial retard, making you a blight to people with no moral compass because of ASPD.
She didn't call you a retard because you have ASPD. She called you a retard because you don't even try to have as much as an illusionary moral compass.
Exactly.
Bullshit!
Go see a therapist instead of proudly staying morally fucked up.
Nah.
You will be a threat to society. Especially after 6 years, since you will be an adult by then.
No, I will not get therapy, because unlike everyone else with a mental disorder, mine defines me, meaning I will lose my soul if I'm not evil. I'm like Void Termina from Kirby Star Allies, who died when his evilness was cleansed by Kirby throwing friend hearts at his core. I want to live despite being evil and having ASPD.
Cry us a river, but you are evil, so don't think you deserve friends until you stop being evil.
Takeover! You suck! Awesome victory! That's what humiliation! Awesome victory! Awesome victory!
You were meant to be aborted by your parents, because raising you's too expensive. Both of them get taxed too much for you going to Randomnessville Elementary, middle and high school, college and university, because you're so evil that you need more surveillance. You're too evil 1% because you have antisocial personality disorder, 99% because you don't even try. Because of this, you're a troublemaker, not a sped with any explanation.
I hate being hated even though I should expect it because I'm evil.
You know what? No, don't see your Y-U-S a river, because your whining is annoying.
Firstly, it's common sense that hating you for valid reasons is good, not bad. Second, randomly. Animate has moved on to using the word rational to describe opinions and their reasons. Are you so outdated that you still think Skibidi Toilet is relevant? This is 2025, not 2022. And third, stop crying like a motor car. Because it is annoying. Maybe even worse than your regular crying.
Why are you sad instead of guilty? Have you no shame for getting your parents stuck here, standing on the head of a student at your school, eating your school's equipment, being racist to a student at your school, selling low-quality cotton shirts to other students and hating retribution? Plus I've been watching Randomly's K-Lude series out of you, so guess what that means? The most recent thing we hate you for is?
What?
Even though Randomly's videos are actually made in Flash themes, you have the drone cameras that create them in universe. You also beat your dad up to do so, but the very worst is that you recorded your parents having sex using the hacked drone, making you an incestuous pervert. You'll never ever 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 get a house when you turn 18.
Albert, your fourth wall break license is out of uses. The next time you want to break the fourth wall, you need to renew your fourth wall break license. Would you like to do so now?
But I will do so 15 minutes later because I'm busy right now, because of that concrete bastard you are unknowingly leaning on right now.
That explains why the bed felt closer than I remember. Also, ground, what the fuck are you doing here? You never had a house to begin with.
I was here to hang out with Vermilion, but she betrayed me when I got here.
Do you know why I betrayed you, you unfriendly brat? It's because I left randomly alone, while you called him the CH word and made racist stereotypes about him. The worst part is when you threatened to kidnap, kill and force-feed him to me. That is so racist of you to do that.
Well, he deserves it, because his kind eats cats and dogs instead of regular farm animals.
Ground, stop perpetuating stereotypes about me. I'm glad laws against drugs exist. Otherwise you would be high on them and that would make things worse since you're a preteen. This is why that sunburned freak with lettuce hair is taking Vermilion's place here when he gets here, because I hate it when people sell crack cocaine.
Well then Vermilion needs to go back to being friends with me right now.
For the last time, no, I will not be friends with you anymore. I am betraying you and that's final. So get out of here while I call your parents. Because you are nothing but an annoying jackass who never changes even when I did. Because I hate you. And you have the wrong reaction to it, you dumbass.
But
now.
You were a bad person and a good friend.
Hello. This is Vermilion who improved. I am here to tell both of you that my son cried over being betrayed by me when the betrayal was a good one. He even called Albert the N-word and randomly the CH word. That, as well as saying racist stereotypes about Chinese people and sending randomly a death threat and me a threat that he will force me to eat randomly's corpse. Can you please Kayla him for this?
What kind of name is this? Kaylet? That's the stupidest name I never heard in my entire life from Go Animate community. And that proves you are Kailu fanboy.
Thank you and bye.
Ground, How dare you throw a tantrum over the fact that Vermilion betrayed you?
Well, she deserved it to betray all of us.
You should know that it was a good betrayal since she re-entered reality and realized that your morals suck ass 1% because you have ASPD, 99% because you don't even try to be good.
And that proves you are disrespectful to people with ASPD.
Your bullshit also escalated into you being racist and sending randomly death threats and Vermilion threats that you will force her to eat his corpse. We didn't raise you this way.
Code for a century.
That's invalid reason to be ungrounded. And you know he can't be alive by the time of his grounding is over. Although, some Go animators can make ridiculous amount of grounding time on Go Animate if they want to, like Carter VHS Corner the South Park fan and other Go animators.
Go to your room and think about what you did.
Why not you go to bed, having sex with your husband and let ground remain uncaled? Because this video is 100 million% cringe and 0% awesome.
Shut the fuck up as I do so. Randomly's video has already exceeded the 10-minute mark for the video itself.
Thanks Mother Nature, that video is over. That video really sucks. And it was especially cringe on the end. And Kirby Fanatic 2010 even denied his wrongdoings there.
I know, right? Kirby Fanatic 2010 need to grow up and handle hate like a grown man. Anyways, we better get going back to Luther the Digimon fans character elimination ultimate and get some lunch.
Agreed. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, turn on post notification, send Eric a request for the next Go Animate video, and don't forget to click thanks for the donation. Well, I'm going to get my lunch. This is me and Dawn from Total Drama, also known as Nature Shutterbugs say.
Goodbye and good luck.
Game week! You ain't ready for this! Alright, here comes! Let's go! Okie dokie! Steel short spikes in a fighter's stance. Blue foot rippling, moving with grace. Eyes glow bright, fierce determination. Lucario stands as a steadfast guardian.